Now let's discuss about equation and weighing balance. See, in your already 6th class, you have already studied about how to balance the equation using weighing balance. See, if this is a weighing balance. See, this is a weighing balance. See, if we have 5 kg on the left side and 2 kg on the right side, does this weighing balance is balanced? No, this side it has more, so it tilts towards the left side. So to balance this, we have to keep 5 kg on the right side also. If we keep 5 kg on the both sides, then the weighing balance is balanced. Okay, suppose this side we have x and this side we have 7. Okay, here x and the right side we have 7. Both sides we have, this side we have unknown value and this side we have known value, which is 7 kg. But the equation, the weighing balance is balanced. So here, as this is balanced, so we can take x equal to 7. If we have same weight on the both sides, then the values are also same. Okay, see, if we have x plus 5 is equal here 10. Okay, see, on the left side we have x plus 5, on the right side we have 10. Okay, as this is balanced, so we can take x plus 5 is equals to 10. Okay, see, we have to find the x value here. So here we have plus 5. We want to find the x value. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 5. Okay, if we subtract 5 from the left side, then the remaining value is x. So we can easily find out. So x plus 5 minus 5, which is 0. So this side we have x. Okay, see, this balance should be balanced. So if we remove 5 kg on the left side, to keep the balance in balanced position, we have to remove the 5 kgs from the right side also. Okay, if we add 2 kgs on the left side, we have to add 2 kgs on the right side also. If we remove 5 kgs from the left side, we have to remove 5 kgs from the right side also. See, here we have removed 5 kgs. So here also we have to remove 5. So 10 minus 5. The answer is 5. Okay, see, here we have x and here we have 5. So here this is balanced. So here we have x, here we have 5. So we can consider x equal to 5. Okay, by this way we are going to solve the equations or simple equations using weighing balance. Okay, now let's move to the exercise. Now let's move to the exercise 2. First problem. Solve the following equations without transposing and check your result. See, here he gave some equations. We have to solve these equations but without transposing. See, what is transposing? See, if we take 5 plus 3 is equals to 3. Okay, here the equation is x plus 3 is equals to 3. We have to find the x value here. Generally what we do here, plus 3 is adding this side. If we move to RH sides, it will subtract. X equals to 3 minus 3, x equal to 0. This is the solution. Here we are transposing plus 3 to right side. So we have to not transpose from one side to another side. We have to do operations on the single sides itself. So here on the left side we have to do separate operations. We have to do the same operation on the right side operation also to balance the equation. See, if we add 5 on the right side, on the left side also we have to add 5. If we subtract minus 2, here also we have to subtract minus 2. In this way, without transposing, we have to solve the equations and we have to find the results. Let's go for the first one. First one, x plus 5 is equals to 9. This is the solution. This is the equation he gave. Okay, here we have to find the x value. Okay, here what is the extra? We have plus 5. We have to get only x. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from the left hand side so that x is only remained. So x plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 9. See, we have to keep the equation balanced. So what we have to do? Here we have subtracted minus 5. So here also we have to subtract 5 on the right side also. So minus 5. Okay. Here x plus 5 minus 5 is 0. So the remaining one is only x, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So here we got the value of x. Here x is equals to 4. This is the solution for the first one. So here x is equals to 4. Let's take the second one. What we have in the second, y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. See, y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. Here we have on the left hand side we have y minus 12. So here we have to find the value of y. What do we have extra? Minus 12. So what we have to do to get y? We have to add 12 on the left hand side. So y minus 12 plus 12 is equals to minus 5. See here we have added minus 12 on the left hand side. So we have to add 12 on the right side also. So plus 12. Okay, see, y minus 12 plus 12 is cancelled. So minus 12 plus 12 is 0. So y is equals to minus 5 plus 12. Here 1 minus 1 plus. So we have to subtract. So 12 minus 5 is 7. What is the sign of the greatest number? Here 5 and 12. 12 is the greatest number and 12 has the sign plus. So here also we will have plus. So y is equals to 7. This is the solution for the second one. Here we got y as 7. So second one is y is equals to 7. Now let's go to the third one, 3. What do we have? 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. See here we have to find the value of x also. See here also we have to find the x value. Here what do we have extra? Plus 4. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 4 from the left hand side. So 3x plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 19. Here on the left hand side what we have did? We have subtracted 4. So on the right hand side also we have to subtract 4. So 19 minus 4. So 3x is equals to, see, plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So remaining is 3x. 3x is equals to 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4 is that 15. 19 minus 4 is 15. See here we have 3x on the left hand side. What do we have to get? We have to get the x value. What do we have extra? 3. Here 3 we have extra. So what is 3 doing with x? It is multiplying. So to get x value, what we have to do? We have to divide 3 on the left hand side. So 3x by 3. We are dividing 3. So is equals to 15. Okay. Here on the left hand side we have divided 3. So on the right hand side also we have to divide 3. So by 3. So 3 is get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 5s are. So x is equals to 5. This is the, here we got the x value as 5. This is the solution for the third problem. What is the value of x here? X is equals to 5. This is the solution for the first one. This is the solution for the second one. And this is the solution for the third one. Now let's move to the fourth one. See, fourth one. What do we have? 9z is equals to 81. 9z is equals to 81. See here what do we have to find? We have to find the value of z. Okay, we have to find the value of z. Here what do we have extra? We have extra 9. What is 9 doing with z? 9 is multiplying with z. Okay, to get only z, what do we have to do? We have to divide the 9. So 9z by 9 is equals to 81. Here on the left hand side, what operation we did? We have divided. What we divided? 9 on the left hand side. What do we have to do on the right hand side? We have to divide 9 also on the right hand side. So 9. So here 9 is get cancelled and 9 ones are, 9 nines are. So z is equals to 9. Here we got the z value. What is the value of z? 9. So the value of z is 9. This is the solution for the fourth problem. Okay. Here what we have got? We have got the value of z is equals to 9. Okay. This is the solution for the fourth problem. Now we move to the fifth problem. So fifth problem. Here what we have? 3x plus 8 is equals to 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2. Okay, here on the both sides we have x. Here if we take left hand side, what do we have extra? We have 8. So we have to subtract 8 on the left hand side. So the remaining will be 3x. So here 3x plus 8 minus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. Here on the left hand side we have subtracted 8. So we have to subtract 8 from the right hand side also. So minus 8. Okay, here 3x plus 8 minus 8 is 0. So 3x is equals to 5x plus 2 minus 8. One is plus and the other is minus. So we have to subtract. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6. What do we have sign for the greatest number? See, here for 2 we have plus and for 8 we have minus. So which number is greater? 8 is greater than 2. So what does 8 have? 8 have negative sign. So here also negative. So 3x is equals to 5x minus 6. Okay, here we have 3x and here we have 5x. See, let's remove x from the one side. So here we have 3x. So what we have to do to get 0 here? We have to subtract 3x. So 3x minus 3x is equals to, see, here 5x. What we have did on the left hand side, we have subtracted the 3x. So on the right hand side also, we have to subtract 3x. So 5x minus 3x, what we remaining have? Minus 6. Minus 6. Okay, here 3x minus 3x means 0. 0 is equals to 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x. What do we have remaining? 2x. See, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2x. 2x minus 6. Okay, see, on the right hand side we have only x. Okay, what do we have remaining? Minus 6. So what do we have to do? We have to add 6 so that it will become 0. So 2x minus 6 plus 6. See, on the right hand side we have added plus 6. So on the left hand side also we have to add 6. So 6. So 6 is equals to 2x minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So here 0. On the right hand side we have 2x. On the left hand side we have 6. So here we have x and 2. What is 2 doing with x? It is multiplying. So to get only x, we have to divide 2. So 2x by 2. Here 6. On the left hand side, we have divided 2. So on the right hand side also we have to, in the right hand side we have divided 2. So on the left hand side also we have to divide 2. So by 2. See, 2 it get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 3s are. So 3 is equals to x. See, on rewriting, what we will get? X is equals to 3. What is the value of x here? 3. So this is the solution for the fifth problem. So here, fifth problem, what is the answer we got? X equals to 3. So what is the solution for the fifth one? See, this is the solution for the fifth one. Now, sixth problem. 5y plus 10. 5y plus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. 4y minus 10. See, on the left hand side we have 5y, on the right hand side we have 4y, means on both sides we have y. So here what do we have remaining? See, here on the left hand side we have plus 10. So we will subtract 10 from the left hand side so that the remaining will be 5y. So 5y plus 10 minus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. See, on the left hand side we have subtracted 10. So on the right hand side also we have to subtract 10. So minus 10. So 5y plus 10 minus 10 is 0. So is equals to 4y. See here minus 10 minus 10. Both signs are negative. So we have to add the numbers. So minus 10 minus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. And the sign is negative. So 4y minus 20. See, on the left hand side we have 5y. On the right hand side we have 4y minus 20. So let's on the right hand side we remove 4y. So what we have to do? Here we have 4y. If we subtract 4y from the right hand side, then the remaining is minus 20. So let's subtract 4y from the right hand side. So 5y is equals to 4y minus 4y. What is the remaining? Minus 20. So minus 20. See, on the right hand side we have subtracted 4y. So on the left hand side also we have to subtract 4y. So 5y minus 4y. See, 5y minus 4y. 5 minus 4 is 1 and y. So 1y is y is equals to 4y minus 4y is 0. So remaining is minus 20. So minus 20. Here we got the value of y. What is the value of y here? Minus 20. So here sixth one, on solving without transposing, what we got the value of y? Y is minus 20. So y is equals to minus 20. So this is the solution for the sixth one. See how we solve the equations. See here, without transposing, we are not moving terms from the left hand to right or right hand side to the left hand side. We are just adding or subtracting on the either sides itself. We have not moving the numbers or the equations from one side to another side. So without transposing, we have found the values of the unknown numbers. So we have solved the equations. This is the solution for the sixth one. So now let's move to the second problem. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result. Here he gave some equations. Total you have 10. First let's discuss about 5. See, here we have to solve the equations by transposing the terms. What is meant by transposing the terms? As I previously told you, if x plus 5 is equals to 10, see, we have to move 5 from the left side to right side. See, here 5 is adding on the left hand side. So if we move to the right side, it will subtract. So x equals to 10 minus 5. X equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. See, the value of x is 5. What we have did here? Here we have moved 5 from the left hand side to right hand side. Means we have transposed the 5. See, we have to solve the equations by transposing the terms. We have to transpose the terms from one side to other side. Whether it is from left hand to right hand side or right hand to left hand side. So let's go for the first problem. So first problem, 2 plus y is equals to 7. See, 2 plus y is equals to 7. Okay, here 2 is adding on the left side. So if we move to the right side, it will subtract. So y is equals to 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So y is equals to 5. We have got the value of y. See, what is the value of y? Y is equals to 5. Now let's move to the second one. 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. See, 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. Here minus 3. Here 3 is subtracting. If we move 3 to the right side, it will add. So 2a is equals to 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. See, 2a is equals to 5 plus 3 is 8. Here we have to find the value of a. See, here 2. 2 is multiplying on the left side. If we move to the right side, so it will divide. So a is equals to 8 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 4s are. So a equals to 4. What is the value of a here? Here 4. So a equals to 4. This is the solution for the second one. Now let's move to the third one. What did the question he gave? 10 minus q is equals to 6. See, 10 minus q is equals to 6. Here 10 is adding. If we move to the right side, it will subtract. So minus q is equals to 6 minus 10. Here minus q is remaining. So minus q is equals to 6. Here 10 is moved to the right side. Here 10 is adding. So it will subtract on the right side. So minus q is equals to 6 minus 10. See, minus q is equals to 6 minus 10 is minus 4. See, 6, 10. One is positive, one is negative. So 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4 and the sign the greater number. See, here 6 has positive sign and 10 has negative sign. So 6 and 10. 10 is the greater one. So 10 has negative sign. So 4 should have negative sign. See here on the left side, on the right side, both negative. So we can cancel them. So remaining is Q equals to 4. The value of Q is 4. This is the solution for the third one. See, third one, Q is equals to 4. Okay, now let's move to the fourth one. See, 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. Here we have to find the t value. See here 5 is subtracting on the left hand side. If we move to the right side, it will add. So 2t is equals to 3 plus 5. So 2t is equals to 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8. Here 2t is equals to 8. Here we have to find the t value. What is the extra number we have? 2. See what is 2 doing with t? 2 is multiplying with t. If we move 2 to the right hand side, as it is multiplying on the left side, it will divide. So t equals to 8 by 4. 8 by 2, sorry. 8 by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So t equals to 4. Here we got the t value. What is the value of t? T equals to 4. This is the solution for the fourth problem. See, here what is the solution? T equals to 4. Now let's move to the fifth one. Here 14 is equals to 27 minus x. 14 is equals to 27 minus x. See here x is subtracting on the right hand side. If we move to the left side, it will add. So 14 plus x is equals to 27. Okay, here 14 is adding on the left side. If we move to the right side, it will subtract. So x is equals to 27 minus 14. 27 minus 14. See, 7 minus 4 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 13. So x is equals to 13. This is the solution for the fifth one. What we have got here? X is 13. So here x is equals to 13. See, these are the solutions for equations up to fifth one. Now let's move to the remaining 5. Now let's move to the remaining 5 problems of problem 2. See here sixth one, 5 of x plus 4. 5 of x plus 4 is equals to 35. See here 5 is multiplying to the whole. So if 5 moves to the right side, it will divide. So x plus 4 is equals to 35 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 sevens are. So x plus 4 is equals to 7. Okay, here 4 is adding on the left side. If we move to the right side, it will subtract. So x is equals to 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So x is equals to 3. This is the solution for the sixth one. What we have got? X is equals to 3. Now let's move to the seventh one. What is the equation he gave? Minus 3x is equals to 15. Minus 3x is equals to 15. So here minus 3x is multiplying on the side. If we move minus 3x to the right side, it will divide. So x is equals to 15 by 3. So negative. Minus 3 means minus 15 by 3. So 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So x is equals to minus 5. This is the solution for the seventh problem. And what we have got? X is equals to minus 5. Okay. Now let's move to the eighth one. So eighth one. What is the equation he gave? 5x minus 3 is equals to 5x minus 3 is equals to 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. See here minus 3 is subtracting on the left side. If we move to the right side, it will add. So 5x is equals to 3x minus 5. Minus 3 moves to the right side and it will add. So plus 3. So 5x is equals to 3x minus 5 plus 3. One is negative, one is positive. So we have to subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and negative sign. See, greater number is 5. 5 has the negative sign, so negative minus 2. Here 3x is adding on the right hand side. If we move to the left side, here it is adding. If we move to the left side, it will subtract. So 5x minus 3x is equals to minus 2. So here 5 minus 3 is 2x. So 2x is equals to minus 2. Okay, here on the left hand side 2 is multiplying. If we move to the right side, it will divide. So x is equals to minus 2 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones are. So x is equals to minus 1. Here we got x is equals to minus 1. This is the solution for the 8th one. What is the value of x? X is equals to minus 1. Now let's move to the 9th problem. Here 9th problem. What he gave? 3y plus 4. 3y plus 4 is equals to 5y minus 4. So 5y minus 4. Here 4 is adding on the right side, left side. So if we move to the right side, it will subtract. So 3y is equals to 5y minus 4 minus 4. See, 3y